Scene script. Have you ever pondered what would happen if galaxies collided? Well, brace yourself for a cosmic spectacle. Imagine two colossal spiral galaxies, each a swirling maelstrom of stars, gas and dust, each a universe unto its own. The first, our very own Milky Way, a bar spiral galaxy with an estimated 200 billion stars, including our sun. It's a cosmic whirlpool, spinning at a dizzying speed, with arms reaching out into the vast expanse of space. The second, the Andromeda galaxy, our nearest spiral galaxy neighbor, even larger than our Milky Way. It's home to an estimated 1 trillion stars and spans around 220,000 light-years across. Now imagine these two cosmic giants separated by a mere 2.5 million light-years, hurtling towards each other on a collision course set by the very fabric of the universe itself. Yes, you heard it right. Our Milky Way and Andromeda are on a head-on collision course, and when they finally meet, it will be a cosmic spectacle of epic proportions. But what does a galactic collision entail? Unlike car crashes, galactic collisions are not about solid objects smashing into each other. Instead, it's an intricate dance of gravity, where the immense gravitational pull of each galaxy tugs and distorts the other, flinging stars and gas into new orbits and creating a breathtaking cosmic light show. The forces at play are unimaginable, with the sheer scale and energy involved beyond human comprehension. Yet even at their incredible speeds, the galaxy's vast distances mean this collision is still about 4 billion years away. But when it does occur, it will mark a significant chapter in the cosmic story of our universe. So as we float on our tiny blue planet, revolving around just one of the many billions of stars in our galaxy, it's humbling to consider the cosmic drama unfolding on a scale so vast, it's beyond our earthly comprehension. As we speak, these two cosmic giants are hurtling through space, destined for a celestial showdown. Galactic collisions are not just cosmic ballet, they are a dance of celestial bodies governed by the laws of physics. Now let's delve into the scientific crux of this imminent celestial showdown. Galactic collisions are not uncommon in the grand theater of the cosmos. However, the collision between our Milky Way and the Andromeda galaxy is a spectacle of a whole different scale. Two colossal spiral galaxies, each with hundreds of billions of stars, are set on a collision course, a tango set by the intricate dance of gravity. Gravity, the silent puppeteer of the cosmos, is the main force driving this event. It's the invisible strings that pull the galaxies towards each other. Now, imagine two galaxies, each a swirling whirlpool of stars, gas and dark matter, drawn together by the irresistible force of gravity. Their approach is slow, yet inevitable. Predictions and timelines for this cosmic collision have been drawn up by astronomers using precise measurements and complex calculations. The best estimates suggest that in about 4 billion years, the Andromeda galaxy, currently 2.5 million light-years away, will close in on the Milky Way. But what role does dark matter play in this event? Dark matter, that mysterious substance that makes up about 85% of the universe's matter, has a significant impact on the dynamics of galactic collisions. Its gravitational influence shapes the trajectory and speed of these galaxies, adding another layer of complexity to this cosmic dance. As the galaxies draw closer, their mutual gravitational pull will distort their spiral shapes, causing tidal forces to rip gas and stars away from their usual paths. These forces will ignite new star formation, lighting up the galaxies like a cosmic fireworks display. This process is not a cataclysmic crash, but rather a slow dance over billions of years. The galaxies will merge, their stars intermingling without colliding to form a new, larger galaxy. So, in about 4 billion years, our night sky is set for a dramatic transformation. To unravel the mystery behind this cosmic event, we turn to the experts. Knowledge is the key to understanding, and knowledge of the universe, well, that's the domain of astrophysicists, astronomers, and cosmologists. Each of these experts brings a unique perspective to our cosmic collision conundrum. Astrophysicists, with their deep understanding of the physical laws that govern the universe, help us comprehend the forces at play in such a colossal event. They talk about the gravitational pull, the dark matter, the energy that these galaxies will exchange. They remind us that we're not just talking about a couple of star systems bumping into each other, we're talking about billions upon billions of stars. Astronomers, our eyes on the skies, offer a different view. They tell us about the changes we can expect to see in our night sky. They share their predictions of the celestial fireworks that will occur as these two galaxies draw closer and closer. They talk about the new constellations and celestial bodies that might form. Their excitement is palpable, reminding us that this collision isn't a catastrophe, but a natural process in the life of galaxies. Cosmologists, the philosophers of space, ask us to consider the broader implications. They speak about the transformation of our galaxy, the birth of new stars, and the potential for new life. They remind us that the universe is in a constant state of change and evolution, and this collision is just another step in that endless journey. These insights wouldn't be possible without the technology that powers our exploration of the universe. Telescopes perched on mountaintops, satellites orbiting our planet, probes venturing into the farthest reaches of our solar system. These are the tools that help us gaze into the cosmic abyss and make sense of it all. As we learn more, we realize the universe is far more dynamic and fascinating than we ever imagined. The collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies is a reminder of that. It's a spectacle that's been billions of years in the making, and we're here at this moment in time to witness it. Imagine a night sky ablaze with new stars and cosmic fireworks. That's the spectacle we're in for. As the two galaxies, the Milky Way and Andromeda, come closer and closer in their cosmic dance, they will begin to distort each other's structures due to the gravitational forces at play. This will result in a celestial light show unlike any we've ever seen. Picture this. As the galaxies collide, gas clouds are compressed, triggering a period of intense star formation. It's like the universe is setting off its own fireworks display, with brilliant bursts of light illuminating the cosmos. Now let's take a step back and look at it from our perspective here on Earth. The night sky that we're so familiar with will undergo a dramatic transformation. The band of the Milky Way, once a thin strip across the sky, will swell and warp. The constellations, our age-old celestial companions, will dance to a new tune as the sky rearranges itself. But this spectacle isn't just about the visual feast. It's also about the profound changes it will bring to our understanding of the universe. As we watch this cosmic performance unfold, we'll gain insights into the mechanics of galaxies, the birth of stars, and the incredible forces that shape the cosmos. Simulations of this event give us a glimpse into the future, allowing us to see the collision before it happens. But remember, these are just predictions. The reality could be even more astonishing. Now you might be thinking, should I be worried? The answer is no. While the term collision might sound alarming, it's not as catastrophic as it seems. The vast distances between stars mean that it's unlikely any two stars will actually collide. Instead, they'll pass by each other like ships in the cosmic night. So, brace yourself for a breathtaking spectacle. One that's been billions of years in the making and will transform our night sky into a canvas of cosmic art. The collision will not be a catastrophic event but a spectacular transformation of our night sky. What does this mean for us, for our solar system, for our understanding of the universe? As we contemplate the impending cosmic collision, it's natural to ponder what the implications will be. The fate of our solar system within the Milky Way is not set in stone. Yet it's not all doom and gloom. Astronomers predict that the vast expanses of empty space within both galaxies will allow most celestial bodies to remain largely unscathed. It's like two swarms of bees colliding, with each bee representing a star. The chance of any two bees colliding is relatively small. However, the gravitational forces at play will orchestrate a grand transformation of both galaxies. They will twist and warp, eventually merging to form a new larger galaxy. This process, though seemingly catastrophic, is actually part of a natural cycle of growth and evolution in the universe. The collision could also trigger a wave of new star formation. As gas clouds from both galaxies collide and compress, it provides the perfect conditions for stars to be born. This could result in a spectacular burst of starlight, a cosmic fireworks display lasting millions of years. But beyond the scientific implications, this event also provokes a profound reflection on our place in the universe. It reminds us that we are part of a dynamic, ever-evolving cosmos. It's a testament to the grandeur of the universe, a spectacle that transcends our human understanding of time and space. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? That we're a small part of this cosmic dance, a dance that has been going on for billions of years and will continue long after we're gone. It's a beautiful and awe-inspiring concept, one that underscores the eternal and ever-changing beauty of the universe. So as we gaze at the night sky, we're not just looking at stars, we're witnessing the future cosmic dance of galaxies, a testament to the eternal and ever-changing beauty of the universe. Remember to subscribe to Brainiacata for more cosmic insights.